Hi everyone. Today I'm going to teach you all practical number 9 of advanced Python for data science. Your question is this. Import cborn as SNS, import matplotlib.pyplot has plot. Cborn, as I already explained, it is a library which is used for making attractive statistical graph. We give a short name as SNS. Matplotlib is basically used for plotting the graphs, and plot is an alias for the convenience. Next, we have data is equal to sns.load underscore dataset tips. We load the built-in tips dataset from the cborn, which stores in the variable data. Next, we have is plot.figure, figure size equal to 8,5. This creates a new graph window, which means that the width of the figure should be 8 inches and the height should be 5 inches. Next, we have x equal to sns.count.data is equal to data, y is equal to d, palette is equal to sec2, orient is equal to h. Now, it creates a count plot which shows the frequency of values. Let's store the plot in variable ax. Data is equal to data. It tells the cborn to use the data set. Then y is equal to day, which means it uses the day column for counting and shows how many record exists for each day. Next, we have palette, that is set2, which applies a predefined color theme called set2. Then we have orient is equal to h, which makes the bar horizontal, which is h is equal to horizontal. Next, we have copy in ax.patches. Now, which loops to every bar in the graph. Patches is all bar objects. Next is value is equal to np.get underscore width. It gets the width of the each bar. Width is count value number of record, which converts into an integer. Next we have is ax.text, which used to write the text on the graph. Then we have p.get underscore width, that is plus 0.3, which sets the x position of the text, which places it slightly outside the bar. P.get underscore y plus p.get underscore height divided by 2, which sets the y position of the text, which places in the center of the bar. Next, we have value, the number to be displayed on the bar. Y is equal to center, which vertically aligns the text in the center, and it ends the function over there. Next, plot the title, frequency distribution of days, count plot, access the title of the graph. Plot.x label count, which labels the x-axis as count. Plot.y label day, which labels the y-axis as day. Plot.grid, axis is equal to x, line cell is equal to hyphen, alpha is equal to 0.4. Now, it adds the grid lines on x-axis. Hyphen, you can see that both the hyphen, which is the dashed line. Alpha, which means it makes them light. Plot.tight underscore layout, which adjusts the spacing automatically and prevents the overlapping of label. And plot.show, which displays the final graph on the screen. So this is the graph. You can see a horizontal bar chart is being displayed here, which has day, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, with the numbers written on each bar. So that's it for today. I hope you all have understood. If there is any doubts related to the topic, you all can drop a comment. Thank you.